So first new my class 3. New my class 3. My class 3. It has got num. Value of num is 100.
100.
M1 refers to that.
M 2000.
Yeah. M1 dot display answer 100. Now M1 is equal to new my class 3. M1, which is already referring to one object, you are saying M1 is equal to new my class 3. New my class 3 means new object of my class 3. Num 100. And M1, which was referring to that object, now it will refer to this object. So it will not have 2000, it will have 4000.
4000.
This everything should come in your diagram. Huh? And then it is not referring to this.
Okay.
Since it is not referring to this object becomes unreferred. And unreferred object in Java, they are marked for garbage collection, marked. Afterwards, they will be garbage collected. But first of all, they are marked for garbage collection. They're going to go. So now M1 refers to this object. M1 dot display 100. This is something different. New my class 3. There's no reference on the left hand side. Since there is no reference on the left hand side, we call it as anonymous object. Anonymous object is the one which does not have any reference. And since this is anonymous object, now you can think of one more object here. My class 3. One more object, my class 3. That object will also have num. Value 100. But it does not have reference. And now you know when you have object which does not have any reference, that object is automatically marked for garbage collection. So how can you use anonymous object is wherever you create that object, there only you use dot display. So answer here 100. So here three things will happen. First, object will be created. So obviously num will be allocated in memory. Second, you are calling display. So it will print 100. And then after display, once control comes on next line, this object will be also marked for garbage collection. So anonymous object is the one which does not have any reference. Anonymous object is the one which does not have any reference. Since it does not have any reference, after creation, when control reaches next statement, when control goes to next statement, that anonymous object is marked for garbage collection. That's why it is very, very important to use anonymous object at the place where you create it. Here only. You can't use this object after second line, third line, fourth line. No. You have to invoke that display here itself. Because once control reaches next line, your object is going to go. So now here, this is a diagram. First of all, you check your diagram. and let me know if anything is not clear. Where did you go wrong? Just check in your diagram.
So, can you again please explain that last statement? At last, I memorized something.
This creates
Yes.
object, but it does not have any reference. So this is anonymous object. When you have an object which does not have any reference, when control reaches next line, that object is going to go. It will be marked for garbage collection. So anonymous object should be used at the same place where it is created. That's why new myclass.display. So here object will get created, members will be allocated memory, and display will be called. And as soon as control reaches on next line, that object will be marked for garbage collection.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So just check your diagrams. Huh? And now here, anonymous object versus named object. This is named object because it has got reference M1. Forget about that. We assign it to new object. That we will not consider now. But named object versus anonymous object. What do you think? Named object means the object which has got reference, and anonymous object which does not have any reference.
Sir, named can be used throughout the program while the anonymous cannot be used throughout the program.
Throughout main, huh? Throughout main.
Throughout main.
Huh. So which one we should go for? We should use named object or anonymous object?
Depending upon the requirement.
Yeah, both have pros and cons. Named object advantage is you can use wherever scope of M1 is there. That means the entire main function. Named object can be used wherever scope of, as long as scope of M1 is there, and scope of M1 is there throughout entire main. So that's an advantage. But drawback, suppose you create object and you want to use only once, and then you have 100 statements in the main. So for all those in between all those 100 statements, this object will stay unnecessarily. You don't want to use that. You want to use only once. So after creating object, when you use it for one time, after that 100 other statements are there which are not related to M1. So in that case, your M1, your object will stay in the memory unnecessarily. So that's a drawback. Drawback here, drawback of anonymous is once the control reaches next line, it will be marked for garbage collection. That means you cannot use that. You have to use at the same line where you have created it. That's a drawback. Advantage, sometimes you would like to create object and use only once. Yeah, there are some examples, there are some scenarios where you need to create object and use only once. So at that time, anonymous object is useful because it does not stay in the memory. You will create object, you will perform the task, and that's it, done. So that time, anonymous object will be useful. Okay. So both are important, named object as well as anonymous object. Here we saw anonymous object. What is the meaning and how long it stays? When the control reaches on next line, that object will be marked for garbage collection.
Sir, please show output.
Output of this. My class 3, no? I will have to compile, I will have to copy in work.
Yes, sir.
Acha, it's already there. Hundred.
Sir, what will happen if you call again that my class new object?
What will happen if you call again? How?
Yes.
New my class 3 display. Same, na? Same statement, no? Again?
Yes, sir.
That will be another object. That will be object number 4. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. If you write new my class 3 dot display again, that will be 4th object.
So can we
Okay.
use multiple function with anonymous
No.
object?
No.
Okay.
Can you mention in the code has anonymous object in common?
Huh. So I have to mention here in data. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. We'll take 10 minutes break. Huh? Don't go anywhere. Just be there. 10 minutes break. After 10 minutes, I will start. Huh?